HTML is the backbone of every web page you visit. Without it, the internet as we know it wouldn't exist. It defines the structure and layout, making content accessible and organized for users worldwide. HTML consists of elements that define content. Think of elements like headings, paragraphs, and links as the building blocks of a web page. Each plays a specific role in displaying content effectively. Understanding this structure is crucial for creating well-organized web pages. Each part has a purpose, from defining the page's title to displaying its content. Let's recap. HTML elements are essential for web page structure. By mastering them, you can create well-structured, accessible web pages that enhance user experience. By learning HTML, you unlock the ability to build and customize web pages. Start experimenting with HTML today to enhance your coding skills and create impactful digital experiences. Ready to dive deeper? Begin your HTML journey now. Practice creating simple web pages and watch your skills grow. Let's build the web together, one element at a time.